In this episode 9 of our MBTI in a real life series, we are going to ask you 13 questions about thinking, feeling, dichotomy. The answer to these questions will determine your preference for thinking or feeling. That is, you will know the third letter of your MBTI personality code. In the next episode, we will ask you more questions to help you determine your preference for judging, perceiving dichotomy so that you know your complete MBTI personality code. While answering these questions, you have to keep in mind the following. Number 1, to every question you have two options, option A or option B, and you have to choose either A or B as your choice. Number 2, choose your option to a question honestly and in a relaxed manner. Number 3, at times you might feel that both of these choices relates to you, but you have to choose the choice that you prefer more than that of the other. In such a situation, take your time to choose your preference. Number 4, some questions might confuse you. In such a case, skip answering that question and tell us about your confusion in the comment section so that we review the question to remove the confusion. Number 5, there are no right or wrong answers. These answers just tell you your preferences regarding these dichotomies. Number 6, remember, answer to these questions is just the starting point of your self-awareness. Now to the 13 questions set for the thinking, feeling dichotomy. Question number 1, while deciding, do you decide with option A, logic, or option B, feelings? Question number 2, while deciding, do you value option A, fairness, or option B, harmony? Question number 3, while deciding, do you trust option A, analysis, or option B, empathy? Question number 4, while deciding, do you prefer option A, objective truth, or option B, personal values? Question number 5, while deciding, do you handle conflict with option A, reason, or option B, compassion? Question number 6, while deciding, do you judge success by option A, results, or option B, relationships? Question number 7, while deciding, do you prefer option A, critical feedback, or option B, encouragement? Question number 8, while deciding, do you prioritize option A, efficiency, or option B, well-being? Question number 9, while deciding, do you prefer option A, debating ideas, or option B, supporting others? Question number 10, while deciding, do you make decisions option A, with your head, or option B, with your heart? Question 11, while deciding, do you value option A, consistency, or option B, flexibility for people's needs? Question number 12, while deciding, do you prefer option A, analyzing problems, or option B, understanding feelings? Question number 13, while deciding, do you trust? Option A, logic first, or option B, emotions first? That is great. You have finished answering the questions. Now count your choices of A and B. If the number of counts of choice A is more than the number of counts of choice B, then you prefer thinking, otherwise feeling. The thinkers individuals prioritize efficiency, they seek fairness, and as learners, they connect rationally. On the other hand, the feeler individuals nurture harmony, they seek empathy, and as learners, they connect emotionally. Remember, every one of us has both the abilities of thinking and feeling, but we prefer one of them more than the other while taking decisions. In the next episode, we will be asking you questions about determining your preference for the MBTI dichotomy of judging, perceiving. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel where we spread love through learning by integrating intellect and positive feelings for meaningful living. Please like and share the video and do not forget to comment upon it. Allah Hafiz.